Welcome to day 14. Today's practice is going to be a meditation in the form of a body scan. We're going to focus on one part of our body at a time, moving through the entire body for a total relaxation. It's a really good one to do before you go to bed. So you're going to want to find yourself laying down on your yoga mat today, or you can be laying on your bed or on the couch. You can also do it seated. It's just a lot more relaxing to do it laying down. It's something I would normally do laying down, but it's not functional for recording a video today. So I'll just let you have a minute to find yourself in the most comfortable position you can. Once you're there, you'll feel the support of the earth beneath you, all the points where your body is touching the ground. And bring your attention to your heart center. How are we breathing right now? How are you feeling today? Can we start to deepen the breath? Feel the air coming through your nose, into the top of your chest, and sending it all the way down into the belly. No matter where you are, the shoulders are pressed down. Everything is soft. Eyes are opened or closed. You might just want to find a soft gaze on the ground. As always, letting go of everything you had to do before you got here today and everything that's calling you once you leave. Taking this time just for yourself. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time here, inhale and exhale. Now bring your attention to your toes. Relax them, each one at a time. Relax the arch of your foot and the top of your foot. Falling through the ankles, out to the sides. Soften your calf muscle and your shin. Relaxing the knee. Relax the quadricep muscle and the hamstring. Relaxing the glutes. Taking a nice, deep inhale. As we exhale, the entire lower body is relaxed. Relaxing the abdomen and the chest, your shoulders, upper arm, and the lower arm. And starting with the pinky on your left hand, relax each of your fingers one at a time. Relaxing the back of the neck and the throat, softening the cheeks and letting the eyes be heavy in the socket. Releasing any tension in your forehead and your ears. Taking a deep inhale, nice and slow. And as we exhale, the entire upper body becomes relaxed. Starting at the top of your head, do a body scan yourself down to your toes and see if there's anywhere you've left gripping, and release. We'll take 3 nice deep breaths here. Each exhale brings more relaxation. Last time. Now maybe you bring some movement back into your fingertips and your toes. You can give them a wiggle. Maybe pausing and turning your head from left to right and right to left. Breathe. Maybe rolling to one side and pause, or choosing to stay right where you are. With the assistance of your hands, you can push up to a seated position. We'll inhale, the arms up and overhead, and relax them down with an exhale. And 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Last time here, inhale and exhale down. A body scan is something that you can do on your own at pretty much any time, but I'm sure you can see and feel the total relaxation that it brings. I really hope you enjoyed this practice today. We'll see you tomorrow.